Planogram Builder Tutorial 6, Adding Products of Various Shapes to the Database. In Tutorial 5, you learned how to add a product packaged in a simple box with one image. You will now see how to add products with different shapes and multiple images. Go to the database editor. Next to Type of Items, select Products. Click on New Item. Enter your product information under Item Properties as shown on this screen. Next to Shape, open the drop-down list. Planogram Builder comes with a set of predefined shapes covering basic packaging types. Let's try some of these shapes. First, there are various box shapes onto which several images may be applied. Select Box 2 Pics, one front, two other faces. This shape lets you apply one image on the front of the product and another image for the rest of the product. Browse for image 1 on your PC. This is the image we used. Click Create. The front image has been applied. Now browse for image 2. This is the image we used. Then click Apply. The product preview shows the new item with both images applied. Now let's imagine we made a mistake. Our milk was not in a carton, but in a flexible pouch. You can edit the product to fix this. Rename the product to match the new packaging. Update the dimensions as desired. Open the list next to Shape, select Pouch Standing, then click Apply. The milk is now pouch-shaped. Note how the product is rescaled to match the dimensions we entered. Now, let's create a milk bottle. Create a new product. Upload a bottle image for image 1 and click Apply. This is the image we used. Our problem is that the box shape doesn't reflect the real product shape. So let's try some predefined shapes from the list. We do have bottles in our standard shapes, but as you can see none are a good match. Bottle Soda Large, Bottle Square, Bottle Tapered, Bottle Wine. In such cases, when you can't find a suitable standard shape, we suggest using our special shape supporting transparent image backgrounds. Select Alpha Plane Standing in the list and apply. The result is not nice because our bottle image doesn't have a transparent background around the product outline. However, if we combine our alpha shape with a PNG or TIFF image that has a transparent background, we obtain a nice bottle, even though it's not really 3D. This is the image we used. Finally, note that you can also create your own custom shapes by importing 3D models. Once you have some products in the database, you can try to place them on a shelf unit and create a simple planogram. Insert the bay. Add a product. Add a second product. Add another product. Please consult the links under the video for detailed instructions in the user guide. This tutorial is now finished.